How you go?
Where is the right tech manager?
Let's call
the right tech manager.
Yes.
No, you don't have his number. Tell him his number. Call him to come in.
Check this one. But how did he come? We go to the place. That's the good one.
Boss, I'm here.
The same one.
The same number.
Yeah. So it's the same one now. The difference that don't wait for who?
No,
Before you go and put me to talk about the party, I don't know. I've been voting.
Is it not Victor?
It's
It's
Victor.
Victor.
It's
He's on another call.
Okay, let me come on.
Yes, 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8 8.
8.
Yes.
Is meaning 1.
8
5,
8 7 6 5.
But he came with you here now.
Look at it.
Is he working now?
Yes.
You're calling upside down. Not upside down.
Since we are husband and wife, just hold it. Don't go out there.
They use a different method and it works.
Do what?
Yes.
So what's wrong with my own?
They push me. Okay, wait. When you've done,
when it's voting, you can video, but not when it's talking. We are not video the thumbprints. The distance we have, we are not able to see where it is.
Don't cover me,
We are
don't cover me,
blocking.
please.
We are not filming. That's our job. We cannot video where it is.
Please leave. You are blocking our shot.
no.
This is president.
No.
How?
Go on the chair.
Well, then they will see what you voted on.
No, you're supposed to fold it here so that in case you know.
This is for what?
Don't try that again.
Don't
Try that again.
This for president.
Don't try that again.
This for president.
Always post is voting. Please vote. Why would you try that?
Hey, stop shouting.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
That's House of Reps.
Yes, this president. This president.
I'll report you to
Yes. Don't worry. Madam, don't worry. This is I'm sure you must have observed that was an initial mistake. It was just a minor mistake of number by them, not by the system. But it didn't last for more than a minute or two when they discovered that the mistake was from them and they corrected it. Having corrected it was quite smooth. There was no any hitch in identifying my number and that of my wife. In fact, it was from my wife that they discovered that they made a mistake. Then we casted our votes.
Are you okay with the BVAS?
Well, completely okay. What we're waiting for now is whether it is real. Because there's this place in Obiabo where they turn out results. If it is real, then those results won't be real, won't come out. It means that physical human beings will actually come to vote. And if that happens in this election, then all praises will go to God and INEC.
In terms of peaceful atmosphere, not just in this poll, within around, how do you...
A bit strange. Up till now, we've not heard of anywhere that is shooting yet. The usual thing is that the people will start shooting to scare voters. I'm sure they realize now that if they shoot and scare voters, even they won't get any vote. So they need a peaceful environment for their voters to come out. But if it was before when they used to write results, they would shoot, everybody would be on the run, then they would take the INEC staff, which they will appoint. INEC won't appoint, they will get INEC to appoint the staff they desire. And then they will write the results, and then INEC will announce for them. What this BVAS has done is if they shoot and everybody's on the run, the APC voters will not run alone. The PDP voters will also run, so there will be nobody to vote for them. And if BVAS actually works, I'm not saying it works because I don't know yet. I will know that by tomorrow. If BVAS actually works, then it means that whoever wins will find it, whoever loses will find it difficult to go to court. But what are you going to take to court? The people must have made their choice. But my fear is, will it work? Because we are hearing currently that there are about three wards in Obiabo that have just been reported to us that there are no result sheets. The APC agents just reported that about 3 wards in Obiabo, they don't have result sheets in those wards. Hopefully that BVAS works like it's working here, then we'll all be praising INEC.
So it's safe to say that you are totally in support of BVAS?
Oh, completely. Even before coming to vote. Because what used to happen in the South is that people just wake up and write results and announce, and people start celebrating. Now, what BVAS has done is that it has curtailed. I hope I'm right. Why I say I'm right, I hope that at the end of the day, BVAS will actually work. If it works, then it has curtailed the propensity for rigging.
Well, what about rigging by vote buying?
The rich men. But again, you see, it's a bit difficult for those who buy votes. I'm not saying they're not trying. The dollars are running around the country now. People are buying dollars and paying dollars. But it won't be as high as it will be if they didn't introduce this, not BVAS, this monetary policy. And it's about, you see, BVAS and this policy of keeping away funds from the rich men. Yes, people are suffering, but by the end of March, there should be an improvement to alleviate the sufferings of the poor. But at least it's keeping away the rich from stealing the mandate of the people.